All right, Graham, I have another question for you here.
Yeah, let's go. Hit me.
All right, so this one is, what should I know about buying a condo with Blvd piping in it and what to expect during the process?
That's a good question. Haven't got very many of these condo board questions and condo questions lately, so let's go into it. So your home inspectors flagged Blvd as the main source of water supply and distribution in a condo that you're searching for. Now, when I'm talking about condos in here, I'm assuming Corey's talking about high-rise condos. And the big thing on those is that you don't own the insurance policy for the whole strata. So what you're going to find with buying a home with Blvd is over the next 5 years, most, if not every single insurance company in Canada will be barring condo boards and buildings with polybutylene piping. So what we're going to find is that what we find in BC all the time right now, and it's starting to come into Alberta now as well, is that they will start raising your deductibles to sky-high limits. Some of the ones in British Columbia are at $500,000 for the condo deductible. And the other thing that we're going to find is that a lot of them are saying you have 1 year to remove all the polybutylene from the building. So if you're fresh buying a brand new condo and you're going to get hit with a massive special assessment over the next couple of years, and you should be definitely aware for that. Not saying don't buy these condos, they're great buildings. There's lots of great companies like ours that remediate all the polyb from the buildings. But do definitely put money aside for your special assessment, and that can range anywhere from, on a condo, usually about $8,000 to about $20,000 for a special assessment. The individual units are kind of looking in that $8,000 to $15,000, but then all the common areas will have to be a joint venture with everybody as well. So you're looking at a big special assessment. I say that's something that, if I can give you any takeaway from this, is what you should be really concerned about. Your home inspector will learn a lot more, and I'm sure your realtor can pull out funds from the board. Now, you must know that you're not allowed as a condo building to use strata funds to pay for all the polybutylene in the building. So this still has to come out as a special assessment for you individually. So hope that answers your question. If you have any more, message me privately, put a comment in there, and I can always dive deep into this if you want to go into more detail. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section and we'll make more videos. Thanks, guys.